Okay. Yeah, yeah. Oh, did you see that? Oh, as it was going over the top of the rock. Oh, big fish. Oh, it's barrow jumping.
Thick and really healthy.
G'day everyone, welcome back to another video. We're in the jungle proper today, chasing my favourite fish on the entire planet. If you know this channel, you know what it is, Jungle Perch. Woo! She's hot and humid. Max at 36 today, but it's going to be like 40, but at least we got some cool water, we can chill off, cool off in. I'm going to dunk my shirt straight away, but we've made it to the mouth of the creek. We're going to walk it up here and see how we go. Hope you guys enjoy the video, and hopefully we'll get a few fish. Phew. Let's get to it. She is crystal clear. Like, I could... Absolutely gorgeous. I'm letting the peacefulness hit me. I'm a bit sick today. Not like super uber body sick, just my head's feel a bit bleh. And I was like, you know what? Today's the coolest day out of the week. I've got to send it. The only goal for today is to check off the first JP of the year. That's it. That's all I want to do. Look at this stunning water feature over here. Oh wow, look at that. Isn't that's some prime jungle stuff. That is gorgeous. Whoa, and slippy as. Oh, this is like nuts. Oh yeah, baby. Oh, that's stunningly deep. Oh, that's a lovely depth. All the leg, full leg. Oh, bag floating. Oh, that's so nice. Under. No snackles. Check before snack drops on head. Oh, yeah. Oh, you see that? Oh, you see that? You see that? You see that? Did you see the bow wave? Did you see the bow wave? Oh, it's a turtle. Oh, it's a turtle. Oh, he tried to nuke it. Oh my God, did you see that? It was a turtle. He tried to absolutely demolish it. I was like, what in the bow wave? Did you see that? It was like a little, I thought it was like a little mini barrel or something coming to... It was a turtle. Poor little fella. No dinner for him today. I doubt. There's little gudgeons. That seemed really good right there. That looks really good up there. That looks ultra perchy. Yeah, cast a pool. Yep. Oh, yeah, baby. Oh, did you see that? He bocked it. 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 I got bocked. I got absolutely hit. Hit it again. Yeah. Oh, smashing it. Smashing it. Yep. On. Big fish. Big fish. Big fish. Big fish. Good fish. Good fish. Good fish. Good fish. Oh, big fish. Oh, barrow jumping. Barrow jumping. Oh, good fish. Good fish. Good fish. Good fish. Oh, yeah, that's huge. That's not huge. That's like 30s. But that's it. He's chonk. He's a chonk. He's a chonk. He's a chonk. He's only on two. Oh, he's on two trebles. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. No. We have to get him over here. We have to get him over here. Oh, that's a good fish. That's a good fish. Oh, he's only on a couple of trebles. Come here, buddy. Come here. Don't drop it. Don't drop it. Don't drop it. Come here, buddy. That's like a 30s. Oh, yeah. Come here, buddy. Come here, buddy. Swim yourself into this rock pool. Yeah! Oh, he's up. He's up. He's up. No, bud. Not happening. Not happening. Yes! There we go. That's a good one to start the year on. Yeah, baby. Oh, hello, you beautiful thing. My favorite fish in the entire world. He just threw it just as he bent a hook out slightly too. I want to get a water release on him. Oh, this is all right. He can go here. I can move that rock out of the way. Rock out of the way. And he can chill in there. All right, stay there, buddy. Quickly get the camera out. Mission complete already. Stunning. There we go. Beautiful little fish. On the topwater cicada. I'm gonna measure him. I'd say he's probably gonna go 30s, something like that. But he's thick and really healthy. That's a good way to start the year. Such a good way to start the year. Thank you, fishy. All right, get him back in his pool and then I'll let him go. All right, well, 33 is the record to beat. All right, let's let this beautiful fish go. See ya, buddy. You beautiful tiger looking fish. Picking a route. That's annoying. That looks easier. Let's go that way. Though this is slidey death rock. Oh yeah. Like actual death murder rock. I don't know how some of them become so death. But I just smashed my ankle on that. Oh, did I sprain my ankle? Better not have. Let's have a sit. Oh. Why don't we go over there and have lunch, drink some water, give the ankle a break. Oh, because yeah, I've managed to hurt it just a little bit. But, good a place as any. Sit down, have lunch. Make sure there's no snickles underneath me. No, very good. I'm gonna have my very exciting cheese and Vegemite sandwich that's really flat. And then I'll get back to it. We're just giving the ankle a break because, yeah, it is quite sore. Whew. All right, lunch was very good, very tasty, very filling up here and then around. Definitely a fish if there is one. Yep, on. Oh, I dropped it. Got me in the leg. He smashed it. He just didn't hit it very hard. Usually they hit it once or twice and then fully bar it. Oh, surely. Dropped him. It's a bit unfortunate. Was a fish though. At least I can still call it. Yep. He's gonna smash it. He's gonna smash it. He's on it. Yep. Oh, I just watched him come out from underneath that rock. We're good, fellas. I just watched him come out from this rock over here and nuke it. I wonder if he felt hooks then. They keep smashing it, they're just not hooking. He's either tucked in here somewhere, or he's underneath that tree over there. But regardless, he bocked me, letting me know that we are still good. Just need to find more pools like this. Oh! Did you see that? There we go. Dang. Oh yeah, one on it, couple on it. Look at them. Look at them all. Two little micros and a slightly bigger Jimmy. There's a big turtle in there. He's gonna chase my thing down, probably. I can see him in there. Yep, on it. Yep, on. Over the rock. Oh no. I'm keeping it loose, keeping it loose, keeping it loose, keeping it loose. He's still on. He's under that rock. Yeah, baby. There we are. There's a little one. No, off again. Oh man. I need to change hooks. I need to change these hooks out. They've got a slight outwards bend to them. All right, what we might do is we might switch the trebles on the front, the middle to the back one, because that's the one that they're currently dropping. All right. Stronger treble now on the back, because that's two fish we've hooked, I think, that we've dropped so far. Oh yeah, did you see that? He missed it entirely. He missed it. That was a big fish. I saw his back. He bocked it again. He bocked it. We're going. Oh, instant snap. Instant snap. Instant snap. That was a big fish. Oh, that's my cicada gone too. Unless we can find the... Oh, that's death rock. Oh no. That was my leader that went. Oh no. Surely we see it floating somewhere. No, that was a huge fish. He just snapped my leader. I didn't have a uni knot tied. Oh, we're gonna have to give it a second here. Light a snorkel mask. Ah, that's so devastating, man. Not really the lure. I can get a new lure. I'm just A, the big fish, and B, just the leaving the lure in the fish bit. That makes me quite sad. It happens. It happens. All I can hope is that he'll get it out eventually. Yep. All right, we're on. Littly, not huge. Little one. Little one. Little one. All right, there's another fish. Oh, okay. How good is he hooked? Oh, absolutely nailed the middle hook. All right. Smaller fish, but finally a fish. You're all right, buddy. Micro little jungly. Cicada's not much bigger than his face, but another stunning little fish. Bit of a consolation prize, I guess, from the big fella that was before, but we'll get him off, get him home. Phew. There we go. Little baby JP. Still stunning. Oh, 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 whoa, 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 whoa. See you, buddy. I thought he wasn't doing too hot then, and then bang, he was playing me. GoPro's pretty much overheating every couple of minutes now because it's so hot. Let's jump across. Hey, 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 yeah. All right. Hey, hey. Let's get a good position, fellas. A good fighting position. No rocks. Let's do it. All right, here we go. And the cast. Look at them all. A million babies. Where's your dad? Tell me where your dad is. Yep. Did you see him? There's a couple up there. Oh yeah. Did I just spook? Look at him. Yep, yep. Oh, did you see that? That's a good fish. That's a better fish. Come here, buddy. Come here, buddy. Oh, did you see him? He looked underneath it like a barramundi. He looked underneath it like a barramundi. Oh, yes. Oh, there we go. He's smaller than the other one, but still, that's a sick little fish. Ah, yes. Oh, I'm stoked. Did you see him? He came out from underneath that rock. He looked at it, bang, nuked it. Oh, that's so awesome. Oh, sick, man. That's so cool. I love jungle perch fishing. He's gonna be 30, I'd say. If not high 20s. 30, if not high 20s, I'd say. That is a really pretty fish. Look at that tail, the two little spots with the white. Stunning. Stunning. So pretty. All right, put him back in the pool. He's already off, so we'll just send him home. Yoo! All right, put him back in the pool. He's already off, so we'll just send him home. Yoo! Oh no. I think he just makes 30, just makes 30. Yeah, righto. Beautiful little fish still though. Still my favorite in the entire world. All right, let's get him home. Let's let him swim off over here. I always do my best to support the belly while I'm picking them up. Just hurts their jaw less. And swim straight back into his pool. Stunning, gorgeous little fish. Straight back into his pool with his friends. How dope is that? Ah, I'm so glad I came today. I was like, oh no, I'm feeling a bit crap. Feeling a bit under the weather. So worth it. So we need to beat 33, I think. I think that's the score to beat. And he went 30. Wait. 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 Oh yeah, there'll be a fish in here. Yep. Yep. Little one. Big one. Bigger one. Bigger one. Just not biting very hard. Oh yeah. Come here, buddy. Come here, one. About the same size as the other one. Oh, he's trying to get me under that rock. Oh, he's pinned. Come down this way. Come down this way. Come down this way. Come down this way. Down on this rock. Yes! Oh, he's solid. He's solid. Oh, now he's off. No. Thank you. Oh, he might be the same size as the other one. Get your home quick, smart. He might be 30, this one, I think. Yeah, 31. Just a bit bigger, 31. Yep. All right, quickly get him off. Stunning little fish. Beauty. All right, we'll let him go down in the bottom pool here. Just easier for me. You're all right, buddy. You're all right, buddy. Oh, wow, what a stunning little fish. Chonky, healthy as ever. All right, he's gonna go over the waterfall. You. Stunning. Do the miles, get the smiles, that's what they always say. And I'm definitely smiling a bit. Doesn't matter if they're 30, 15 centimeters, or the magical 50, they're still, JP are just the funnest fish to catch. Woo! I do have to get home at some point, and the further we go up, the longer it takes me to get back. And it may not be as safe to get back. Oh, as it was going over the top of the rock. Oh, yo! As it was going over the top of the rock, he nailed it. Yo! Come here, little fishy. Come here, buddy. That's another 30s model. He's gonna try and knock me off. And I'm just gonna put him in this pool right here. Oh, he's on one treb there. One treb. As it was coming over the rock, he nailed it. How sick is that? He's hooked really well, and I'm scared of Stop. Ah, he got me, but I got him. He got me, but I got him. Yeah, I'm not gonna bother measuring this one. This one's gonna be that sort of sub 40, sub 30. Let him go in here. So cool. Off he goes, straight over the rock. That was sick. It was about to go over the top of the rock, and he goes, nah, not happening, bud. Bang! Topwater is epic. Wow. Just a giant boulder. Just a giant boulder. Oh, fish. Well, this could be money. Yep, it was money. It was money. He came out and charged it. Just didn't eat hooks. Sort of death rock over. Yep. All right. Hoo-yah, fellas. Hoo-yah. Good fish. Good fish, good fish, good fish, good fish, good fish, really good fish, really good fish. Oh, we just hooked into a really good fish, guys. The camera just overheated. Oh, there's a good fish. Good fish, good fish, good fish. Oh yes! There he is. Sorry I didn't get the hook up on camera because the frickin' thing just died, but inconvenient as always, GoPros, but woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. There we go. We got him. Is he off? Oh, there's a crayfish next to him. I got him in this little pool. He flicked the lure. Stunning fish. Damn, man. The GoPro just cut off just as I cast. You would have just seen the cast. Oh, it's a good fish, man. Woo! I've done my best to prop up the camera. It's a bit of an awkward spot. Oh, big tail slap. Stunning specimen of a fish. So good, man. Look at how all those colors. Big fish. He might be 35. I don't think he's the magical 40, but I think he's close. That is a lovely little fish. All right, back in the pool you go, Muddy. Can't believe I missed the hook up. All right, come here, buddy. Imagine you in the water. No. Oh, he saw dark and he was like, I can hide there. Come here, swim onto this. Swim onto this. Yeah, he's definitely not 40. Measure him in the water. He is 35 though. Look at that. Tip just hits the 35 mark. Biggest fish of the day so far. We'll let him go right in the current. Right in the current. See you, mate. That's so sick. I'm so stoked. That's a good fish. Hopefully in that other upper pool there'll be another one, but he'll be a good fish to he's not the 40, but that's okay. I'm not too concerned. A 35 does me good still. While I was mucking around dropping that fish in this pool, sort of doing the world's worst camera job, here in this pool there is, there is a freshwater prawn. No. He's under that rock? No, they just disappear, these things. No, he's done it. Hello. I hope you got a little, I was going to give you a hold up of him, but he flipped out. They are so they're like magicians. They just, I don't know where they go. They like magically disappear under a rock somehow. All right, I might have to get in the water here just to get over. Ooh, bag's properly floating. All right, we're gonna fish these few more pools. I'm so bad, aren't I? I keep saying, oh yeah, this will be the last one. This will be the last one. This will be the last one. Yep, another fish. Another fish. Not very large. Little one. There you go, buddy. That's like a 20s. That's like a 20s. Micro Jimmy. His head in the water. Just gonna get him off quickly. All right, we'll let him go. Don't need to really hold up on this one after the last fish. Still stunning though. Oh, he's bumped my thumb. There we go. See you, buddy. All right, if we can get around there, we'll get around there. Otherwise, this is a better place, the best place to end. All right, fellas. What a mission that was. I have no idea how many kilometers I've done. I am exhausted. You stop for 1 second, then you just sort of feel it. Oh my God. I have no idea how many fish we got. We hooked quite a few, dropped quite a few, and got some good ones as well in there. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's one of my favorite things to do. Such beautiful country. So lucky to be able to do this kind of thing. And as always, I really appreciate your view, and hopefully we'll catch you in the next one. All right, time to walk my 2 hours out of here. We're out.